So nice lightings. It's dinner time. So guys, this is the night. It's already nighttime. It's already, I think, almost 8 p.m. So we are looking for the burner to have our dinner. So nice. So we're having a walk in the seaside. Oh, they have this corn here, grilled corn, and souvenirs. Smelly here? Why is it smelly? Oh, there's a cafe there. This seems like this is like Santorini style. It's in the clip. Sushi bar. See? Huh? This is like Santorini. Huh? There's a clip. Yeah, for sure. Saborna. Yay! The first one, that's the only Sublaki shop. So nice lightings. Very nice lightings here. This is La Diablita. Huh? Open. The happy hour is until 9. So the cocktail is only €7. Gelateria. So blacky, but they have other. You cannot take away like just a blacky, huh? So these are the prices. Where is the foodie? The calamari is 15. Saganaki 17.19. Baby. It's more expensive. Cheaper the one that we this afternoon when we went in the beach there. This place, yeah, because their place is look cozy.
And I don't like when someone coming here and trying to convince you.
Just so these are the fish.
Not the
There's Niguna fish, tapodi, mussels, fish. We're gonna check some. Here is dark. Yeah, where is there like a square? Here is all the Borna. Gyros.
Πάμε στη δουλειά της μέρας με τον έτσι κάνει μέρα.
Oh, here, finally, I think you find the, huh? Nice portion. There's no souvlaki. There, oh.
not going to wait.
But it's long queue. If cheap, baby. Always have long queue. We never go here in this area. Farther up. Oh, yeah. So at night, this road is closed. Oh, the church.
You see the plates say not parking there.
Then
park.
don't park.
And never park here.
Uh-huh.
Even you see others, don't do it. In the side of the road, keep plate. It says no.
Park. Baby, here, pizza. Slice of pizza. Here is there's an Asian restaurant. Katis and Rudy. This is Asian. Supermarket, mini mart. Hi guys, so we're still here in Parikia. We're looking for a taberna where we can have all dinner. So my husband checked online one of the taberna that he said is has a highest or a good review. So we're going to try. We're going there and we're going to try. Is it if it's really nice? Yeah, we're almost there, guys. By the way, guys, we just went in Lefkes. So from Lefkes, guys, we're going for dinner. So we're almost there, guys. So the taberna is there at the corner. No, there's a queue. See? Someone is, oh my god, someone is, they have queue, huh? What? Their place? Oh, that's why you have to wait. They don't have extra space here outside. Oh, so cute, guys. You are busy. They should put, yeah, they should put another. Cannot chase the people to faster eat, faster eat.
So many people that are not waiting. But actually, you have 5 tables.
That's why.